Good morning, everyone. Day 2 being lost in Vietnam.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
Today it's properly raining, or it was properly raining. Very exciting. Like I said, it has not rained in Thailand yet. Jared.
Yeah, so a little bit later we're doing the railroad.
So as the railroad is like, it's this market that's like literally on a railroad. It's the most dangerous railroad in the world. And then slowly making our way to the railroad over here. Addison just saw me almost get hit by a truck. Like, when I say almost, I mean within inches, probably. Oh, it was. Oh, this is so cool. So we do, hurry here, play some guitar. Great. This is so cool. There's like people like chilling here along the tracks. Training, I mean, like any moment. We're out here really just trying to get the most phenomenal pictures, just like walking on the train tracks. Quite slippery, we keep falling. A little hard to just. I'm trying to shoot a vlog here, guys. Come on, I mean. Guys, we just got this shittest pictures probably ever. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. There is a train coming. You'll be able to see it. It's not showing up on here. No, that's a train. We'll be fine. We just have to stand here. Oh no, it's totally moving. They literally honk from so far away to like make sure people don't die. This is insane. Like casual stuff, you know. You know what's really the worst? People who lie down on train tracks, like while the trains for like viral videos. Like, you can definitely die. Like, it's just not. It's not a smart thing. Oh.
That's not smart either.
I was just walking along the rail and I had a. Well, you guys saw. Just out here, Vietnam, you know, living life. Yeah, see that? Yeah, I know.
I mean, you gotta after that.
Yeah, I know.
So guys, Addison just scammed in Vietnam.
Oh my god.
The lady just came up, wanted to sell us bananas and mangoes and pineapple.
Randomly give you the hat and like.
Oh no, she just like put it on her, yeah. And then she like put the it's like however they hold the baskets on Addison's shoulder and then put the hat on, and it's like at that point we're like sort of taking pictures, and then it's like you have to buy them, but we did get some free bananas out of the deal, so I mean it becomes kind of worth it.
This is right here. Like this is near the.
Also, we're currently lost. Stay.
Oh no.
Hi.
We're so excited.
Ugh. Dogs in Thailand, like, and Vietnam, incredible.
Going in Vietnam.
You don't see pets here. It's nice.
I think they got back now.
Once again, we're not eating Vietnamese food for dinner. Why?
I mean, I don't know what this is.
I will. Layla props. Layla ordered. What did you?
Pumpkin fried rice.
Pumpkin fried rice.
I haven't seen it anywhere else.
Maybe.
Assume it's
maybe it's real. I've never even like heard. It's like inside of pumpkin. Like it's pretty. I think that's part of Vietnamese food. Halo ordered like.
Honey roasted chicken with garlic. I mean, with honey.
I mean, it's like kind of Vietnamese food. And then me and Addison ordered chicken burgers with like cheese, lettuce, bacon, French fries. I mean, we're really like.
In the culture.
Yeah, we're really diving right in here to the culture, just and that full experience. Guys, so big moment right here. Addison and Halo are both hitting tattoos, but it's Addison's first. Are you a little nervous? How you feeling?
I'm feeling nauseous,
Nauseous.
but I think it's food poisoning.
Guys, we ate the same thing. It's not food poisoning.
It's not. It's food poisoning. You would have gotten sick by now. Fine.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I'm excited. I'm ready.
I'm gonna try to vlog. I don't know. They're like super.
I think I want you to. All right, wait.
They're like kind of weird with their policies.
You gotta like get pumped up.
They're kind of weird with their like policies about things. Like we weren't even allowed to go to the waiting room with them, but. So Halo just had her tattoo. And I mean, what was that? I mean, your previous experience has been like the Thai.
Sakyong?
Yeah, Sakyong, where it's like a monk does it, and it's like a hot needle, right?
It's like a steel rod or a bamboo rod or something.
So it's like a steel, like bamboo rod. And she said this one didn't really hurt. Based on the sound of like the needle, I don't think I'd really be able to bring myself to hit the tattoo. And then we're not really supposed to film, but Addison is like over there. I just finishing herself. Yeah, I think she's done. We asked her during, and she was super nervous. It was like hurts, and the ribs are like the #1 place where it hurts. And she was like, "Yeah, it doesn't even hurt at all." So first tattoo.
That was fun.
It sounds so painful. Leila was telling me that.
Like the sound of the gun. Yeah, I was like, it sounds a lot worse than it actually is.
Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll edit tattoo in the next vlog. As we're finishing off the night tonight, this little.
Just kidding. I know that was bad. Sorry.
Finishing off the night tonight, this little jazz club.
Yeah. 4 more.
Little jazz club, just a chill little spot in kind of like the middle in the in this little secluded area. And sit. It might be like a restaurant. Sit, listen to some jazz.